How you feel?
I feel 1,000% better. I needed this. I needed it.
All right, so today we have Eric. Eric has been a patient before, but he hasn't been back in a while. Eric, so what was going on?
They having some, I feel like I got a pinched nerve in my neck going out to my hand. Damn, I needed that.
Just relax.
I still got more in there?
So you went to the hospital, you had the neck pain, they didn't help you at all?
No.
How do you feel now, any better?
I feel loose, I don't feel nothing right now.
Seem like you breathe better now, huh?
Yeah.
Hospital, call me. They got people that need me, send them to me.
I appreciate it, I needed it.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, so today we have Eric. Eric has been a patient before, but he hasn't been back in a while. Eric, so what was going on?
They having some, I feel like I got a pinched nerve in my neck going out to my hand.
Going out to your hands? All right, how long you had that pain for?
Maybe like 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Did you do anything for it?
Yeah, I went to the hospital, they ain't do nothing for me.
So you went to the hospital, you had the neck pain, they didn't help you at all?
Nah.
How do you feel now, any better?
I feel loose, I don't feel nothing right now.
So right now, he doesn't feel anything. We did some stim, we did some ice, we did some light stuff, but now we're gonna get into the nitty gritty and see if we can help him out. Let's see what we got here. Right there. All right, let your head drop into my hand for me. Let it drop just a little bit more. There we go.
Damn, I needed that.
Do this. Let your head drop into my hand for me. Let it drop. Let it drop into my hand. Let it drop. There we go.
Dog, I be needing that, bro. I needed that, boy.
How we feeling now?
I needed that. Hell yeah. I needed that. I needed that for real.
Yeah. Anything in your fingers still?
I don't feel nothing.
Good.
I don't feel nothing.
All right, so this is called flexion extraction. So we're just gonna be moving up and down, open up the disc. Let's make the adjustment go a little bit smoother. Just relax them. Face down, there we go, just relax. There we go. Just relax. There we go. Do me a favor and lift this leg up, but keep it straight. No. Lift it up. No. Keep it straight. Lift it straight up. As much as you can. All right, switch. All right, good. One more time. And another one. All right. Just relax, you're gonna hear just a noise, that's just a table dropping. 2 more times. And 1 more time. Just relax.
I needed this. I played. I waited too long.
There we go. Just relax. That's a year, man.
I ain't waiting that long no more. You feel different, boy. I feel different, way different.
Seem like you breathe better now, huh?
Yeah. Hell yeah. I waited too long, I played.
Don't play. Don't play. Slide down a little bit for him.
I still got more in there? Dang, I needed this. Dang, I needed this.
Just relax.
How many cracks you supposed to get up out of there, boy? I was tore up, huh?
Yeah. You went to the, if you had to go to the hospital.
They ain't do all this at the hospital, bro.
What they was doing though?
Man, telling me follow the finger and do all this other crap, man. They ain't do none of this, bro.
They ain't equipped for that though. They got their purpose. You got you, just relax. Just relax, just relax.
I played, bro. Gee, I played. I waited too late. I played.
Could have been worse though.
I feel way different, bro. God, dog.
Come on up. Sit up straight for me. There we go. Just relax. Just relax. One more time. Come on up. How you feel?
I feel 1,000% better. I needed this. I needed it. Gee.
Don't play.
I played. I played. God damn, I needed this.
All right.
People at the hospital ain't do nothing like that.
Damn, got me. I don't work at the hospital. Hospital, call me. They got people that need me. Send them to me.
I appreciate it. I needed this, bro.